we'll see how to open blank workbook in Excel automatically. Now in this version, if you open Excel, this is the starting screen what you get. Now each time you should click on this blank workbook in order to open Excel workbook. If in case you want blank workbook automatically, you will have to do a certain setting in Excel. So that's what we are going to see. In order to make the setting, click on File. In File, you will have to go with the options. Click on Option, and towards the left hand side we can see General. Under this General, there is one particular option which is Startup option. You can scroll down, which is the last. This is the Startup option. In this Startup option, we can see this show the start screen when this application starts. Just uncheck and then click on OK. After making these settings, each time you open Excel workbook, you'll get the blank workbook automatically.